one girl has sent a beautiful picture to me, sending her wishes from all the family members, and the picture is Rangoli by that girl's mother. They were in somewhere remote area at grandparents' house, but the beautiful Rangoli in front of their house, I was shocked with surprise to see such a talented lady who has put that beautiful Rangoli there in front of that house where very few people might have noticed it. But I appreciate that girl for taking that picture and sending it to me where I can recognize the talent of that mother. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another interesting, exciting video for St. John's students' mothers. This is Mother's Special. Many times, mothers must be wondering, and some of them expressed to me, they said, always competitions for my students, for my son, for my daughter. Ma'am, is there any competition for mothers? My dear mothers, my dear beautiful young ladies over there, all the talented women of St. John's, talented mothers of St. John's, here is the wonderful opportunity to showcase your talent. No pandemic, no restrictions, no curfew can stop our talent. That's how I planned. All the mothers of St. John students. Mothers only, no aunts, no grandmother. Later I'll plan for you because this is exclusively only for mothers of St. John students. And Ammalu of St. John students. మీకోసం ఈ కాంపిటీషన్. ఏంటి కాంపిటీషన్? Already you might have guessed it. It's Rangoli. Because you're all getting ready and every day you're doing it late night in front of your homes, doing nice coloring for your beautiful Rangoli, thematic Rangoli. I'm giving you a competition. Rangoli is not a freehand Rangoli. Dots, you should use the dots to give your Rangoli. Chukkala Muggulu. All St. John's parents. Only mothers. Fathers, you have to wait for your time. Definitely you also will have a competition. But right now it is only exclusively those talented mothers. Chukkala Muggulu. You need to use Chukkalu because this is a good old tradition. I enjoy doing it. Having Chukkalu 21 to 3 and having, just joining those dots, making a beautiful Rangoli. The pleasure you get after you see that Rangoli is unexplainable, unimaginable. Only the person who does can enjoy this. Now, I made my mothers, my St. John's mothers as 3 categories. Category 1, mothers of LKG, UKG, first class, second class. Only mothers of LKG, UKG, first class, second class. That is category 1. I have first prize, second prize, third prize. Category 2, mothers of 3rd to 7th. Class 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only mothers of 3rd to 7th. That is category 2. Category 3, mothers of 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Mothers of 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Secondary and senior secondary. What is the competition? Take an A4 sheet, white sheet, a board or a sheet, your wish. Only the pencil. You can use HB pencil, lighter or darker, however you would like to portray. A pencil Use dots. You can use 21 dots. You can use 50 dots. You can, however, show your talents with a dot rangoli. Only chukkalu and muggulu. With white sheet, oka white sheet తీసుకోండి, ఒక పెన్సిల్ యూస్ చేయండి. నో కలర్స్ యూస్ చేయబాకండి. పెన్సిల్తో చక్కగా ముగ్గులు వేయండి. వేసి you have to mention your child name, section, class and your name very clearly behind that A4 sheet. And you can start submitting this A4 sheet at the school special counter near the computer lab from 6th morning onwards till 20th. Today is 5th January. The competition is, we have announced competition today. From tomorrow, that is 6th January, you can start submitting your A4 sheet with the beautiful rangoli. No colors, only pencil. A4 sheet, white sheet, pencil. Using, you have to mention how many dots is your rangoli. That is also very important to be part in the competition, because any game, anything, any competition, when you have rules, there is more fun. Without rules, there is no fun at all. So when you fall into the rules and regulations, I tell you, the satisfaction you get at the end of your competition is immense. So only the dots, mention the dots, submit from 6th January, morning 9 to evening 4:30. Anytime you can come. But I tell you, I have a special prize for the one who submit this rangoli first one in the office. The first competitive A4 sheet we get to the office, the first mother will get a special prize. Get up from 6th, that is from tomorrow I'm going to take. There is a special counter in front of the computer lab to receive your sheets, A4 sheets done by you. So the first one will get the special prize. First mother will get the special prize. Every category, category 1, category 2, category 3 have first, second, third prize, and also exceptionally beautiful. If there is anything special in that category also, will get some prizes. All the prize distribution on Republic Day celebration on 26th January. So this is the Rangoli competition for all the mothers of St. John's students. Only my students' mothers. It's not open for others, but open for only mothers of my students. Get up, my dear mothers. Get up and start practicing. Put yourself into it, because you're already doing it on the floors. You're doing it in front yard. You're doing it in your backyard, in your garden. Now, put it on A4 sheet and submit. Your child enjoy looking at you on the stage of St. John's to receive the prize, right? This is the wonderful competition, my dear mothers. All the students, teachers encourage. The teachers also mothers at St. John's. I do have my teachers' children studying. You are not in the part of competition. My dear mother teachers, the teachers who are working at St. John's and they are mothers of my students, you are not eligible for this competition. My staff mothers, my staff are not eligible for this competition. This is exclusively only for the mothers who are not the staff of St. John's. Keep all these things in mind, many rules and regulations, but I tell you, the competition will be tougher, and the more tough, the more happiness you get. So think, and the first entry gets the first and best prize. Take care, be blessed, enjoy doing this Rangoli. Have a wonderful week ahead.